everyone, I'm Aryan. Today my dad is going to make special RC plane for me. What is special about it? So let's ask my dad.
Hello everyone, I am Darshil Patel. I am making that special plane for Aryan. I am his dad. So what is special about it? First thing is, it is going to be a very light and very slow so that Aryan also can control it. But the second one is most important one. Let me explain it to you. These are the most common things used to make RC plane. Power system which has propeller, brushless motor and brushless ESC of 12 ampere in this case. We have a communication system. This is a receiver for the plane and control system which consists of this servo. This servo actually is used to move control surfaces of airplane so that it can do maneuvers. My idea is to use this kind of brushed motors instead of servo motor and control surfaces. I am going to arrange these motors on plane in such a way that we move the control sticks of transmitter. This motor will turn in one direction, and when we move the stick in opposite direction, the motor will turn in opposite direction. In this way, the thrust of this motor is going to control the plane. Let me explain how am I going to do that. I have prepared this simple module using parts of broken servos. The purpose of this module is it will collect signals through this pin from receiver and supply power to these brushed motors through these wires so that these motors can control the plane, eliminating the requirement of control surfaces. This idea of replacing this with these two things is not completely innovative, but I felt it is worth trying. What do you feel? Let me know in the comment section. And wait for the next video where I am going to conduct the test flight. Thank you.